Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie at Aroma Thyme, and I am back. I am live. I am here bringing you some drinks. Super excited about that. I don't know if I'll be here tomorrow, so I definitely wanted to make sure I was on today. And coming up with some new cocktails. It's been fun. Marcus and I were at the Las Vegas bar. It used to be called the Bar and Nightclub Show. It's called the Bar and Restaurant Show now. So we were at that for the last couple of days, learning new techniques, buying new things, finding new things. I have to say it was pretty cool after 2 years to find all of these cool things that are out there, that products that were made that we're finding out about now. So that was super exciting. So thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Just waiting for a few more people to join me. Today I'm going to be making something. I'm actually going to make a smoked artisanal. I'm actually going to smoke it. I got this really cool smoker at the show. It's so cool. I'm super excited about it. Let me grab what it is called. So it's called Middleton Mixology. So it's called the Smoke Top. So I'm really excited about it. Really excited. I have a bunch of different types of things that we can smoke, and you put it right in the top here, and you light it, and it smokes the ice, and then you pour the drink on the ice. It's really cool. I'm super excited. So thank you everybody for watching me. I don't know why I haven't really appeared when I'm live yet, so I'm not sure why. Maybe Courtney can check it out for me while I'm talking. But I do want to just let you know, we are sold out of our tuna for tonight. It was so popular that unfortunately we are sold out, but we will honor the buy one get one free mahi mahi tonight. So and then we'll have more tomorrow. We prepared a lot, but we weren't sure how much we'd sell. So unfortunately we are sold out of the tuna buy one get one free for tonight, but we will have it back tomorrow. So we're going to honor the mahi mahi with the cilantro chutney and rice and veg, or just rice? Just rice. Just rice. Awesome. Okay, so I see some people joining me now. Hello, Terry. I hope all is well. I am super excited, so I won't be here tomorrow. Maybe if I get a chance, I'll do a Facebook Live. Maybe I'll do one from Justin's baseball game. So the Griffs, the Canisius Griffs, will be playing down at Boulder Stadium Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at noon. And they will be playing down there, so I'm excited. I get to go watch him only an hour away. So he's on the bus on their way down to Rockland County. They're staying, I think, in Elmsford, so really close to home. I have a group of people going down Saturday with me. I don't know when he'll pitch. I don't know if he'll pitch Saturday. I don't know if he'll pitch Friday or Sunday, but it'll be cool for some people to be there and watch the game with me. I'm really excited about that. And so if you would like to come down, just message me for the details and I can give you some of the details. So I won't be on tomorrow, but maybe I'll join and I'll do a Facebook Live while Justin's team is playing. So Division I baseball, the divisional play starts tomorrow. So far from when they started playing in February till now, it was non-divisional play, but they're playing some really good schools, and now we are into divisional play. So super excited. They play schools like Quinnipiac, Marist. It's the MAC conference, Ryder, Siena, St. Bonaventure. They're going to be up in Binghamton on Tuesday of next week, so we'll be up in Binghamton. We're going to go watch that game. So really excited. It's within 5 hours of us, so we don't have to travel, get on a plane, drive 9 hours to go see him play. So really excited. So anybody wants to join us, let me know. The games are Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at noon. Come out and support the Canisius team all the way down from Buffalo. They'll be in Rockland County. So thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Joel, hello Ellen, hello Ralph, hello Terry. I see some more people joining me. Again, I will just let you know that our tuna special this evening was sold out. It was so popular. It was a buy one get one free. It will be available tomorrow night, but we will honor the mahi mahi from now going forward for tonight. And it's a to-go special, so the tuna and the mahi mahi. But tuna will be available tomorrow until Monday. That is buy one get one free. It has been on our menu since day one. So super excited about that. And that's it. So Monday night we have a wine dinner. 4 wines in a dish for $29. Make your reservations soon. Thank you, Terry. Welcome back. For those that don't know, I was in Vegas at a bar and restaurant show, meeting people, making relationships. We met a lot of cool new people, products. Super exciting. So, all right, I am going to use this smoke top that I got. It's called a smoke top. Inside, I added some, I think it's maple. And I'm going to start by smoking it, so it's really cool. Let's see if I can do it. So I'm going to smoke look at how cool that is. Look at that inside there, how cool. So I'm going to let that sit there. I just think that's so cool. I'm going to sit there while I mix the drink up. So I am going to get some ice here. Some ice in my shaker. Oh, love your hair down. Thanks, Jennifer. Thank you, I appreciate that. I don't really wear my hair down that often, but you know, we took a red eye back from Vegas last night, and sleeping on the plane isn't easy when your hair is up. So, all right, I'm going to be using 1921 Blanco tequila. I'm going to add 2 ounces of the tequila to my shaker. I'm going to add a splash of peach liqueur. I'm going to add a splash of orange liqueur. Thank you everybody for watching me. I really appreciate it. I don't know if some of you saw me while I was at the show. I was talking a little bit about some of the stuff that was at the show. And add a little bit of grapefruit juice. So this is a real juice, like really good juices. So peach liqueur, orange liqueur, grapefruit juice, 1921 tequila. I'm shaking that on up. And I'm going to actually smoke this again because the smoke has, oh, you can kind of see it in there still. I think that's really cool. I'm going to do it one more time. You can see the smoke. Ooh, look at that, cool. I'm going to open it up. Ooh, look at that. Wow. And I'm going to shake. I shook my drink. I'm going to pour it on top. And I'm going to top it off with this awesome dried grapefruit. And there we go. So you have a smoked artisanal. I got this recipe from 1921. So thank you everybody for watching me. I really appreciate it. Hello Sean, hello Mary, hello Jennifer. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little taste. Oh yeah, get some of that smokiness in there. Delicious. So we're gonna start using this smoked top here at Aroma Thyme for some of our drinks. I'm excited. We can do a smoked Manhattan. We can do pretty much any drink smoked. It's got a little taste in there. You can smoke maple and oak. I mean, there's lots of things that we can smoke. There's a little screen on the bottom there. These are really cool. They make really cool gifts. I just had to have one. I was so excited. And so yeah, so we found a lot of really cool things at the show. A lot of cool cocktails, a lot of cool new drinks, a lot of ready-to-drink cocktails in the can. So what is it called? Ready-to-drink, so RTD cocktail cans. We saw a lot of that. We saw a lot of cool tequilas. They had a cool bar at the night at the show. They had a lot of platinum parties, which were cool. So we went to these parties and they were serving all these cool drinks. So yeah, we're excited to be back. We're excited to bring back some of the cool things to you. And of course, you'll be seeing a lot of them throughout the next couple of weeks. And I'm going to say cheers. Oh, that is really good. And hopefully we'll see everybody soon. Our tuna will be available tomorrow evening. Again, sorry that we ran out. We just didn't know how popular it would actually be, so I apologize. But we will do our buy one, get one free mahi-mahi tonight. And then we'll start the tuna again tomorrow. So tomorrow until Monday. Please make reservations. We are busy. We do have music on Saturday night. Our very good friends Adele and Jeremy will be here. We've not heard them play yet, so we're excited about hearing them play. Actually, we've heard them on Jazz Night, but we haven't had them here. They are an awesome duet, great couple. And come on down on Saturday night from 7 to 10. Watch them. We have a wine dinner on Monday night. It is 4 wines in a dish for $29. Can't beat it. And that's it. That's all for today. Hope everybody has an awesome day. Cheers, and we will talk to you soon.